Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean when I say 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video there. So if you go to that link, I will explain in detail. Done this analysis several times before, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 30 cents there was a level of resistance going into today, and you can see when the price did get the break above it right there, that really was pretty much the floodgates opening, and up it went from that point. So that, like I said, one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward would be if the price can stay up above 31 cents, which is the value of that pink line there, which is the 200 period moving average, a very famous level in the world of charts. With that being said, though, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 31, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 31 cents, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there is how I am defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 31 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? For this, going to squeeze down the charter a little bit to gain a little bit more reference, and the next key level of resistance going to be right up there at basically the 33 cent mark. Price almost hit it today, but 33 cents is important. You go back here and you can see this was the top portion of this channel that formed quite a bit. So like I said, right there, got kind of close to it, but not quite. But point being 33 cents, next key battleground going forward. Good news is the week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.